New Gemini Canvas update is insane. Google just dropped something that changes everything. I'm talking about the new Gemini Canvas update. This thing turns Google search into a full workspace, no extra apps, no signups. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works right now. So Google just rolled out this update called Canvas in AI mode. And honestly, when I first saw it, I thought, okay, cool, another AI thing. But then I actually used it and it blew my mind because this is not just a chatbot anymore. This is a workspace inside Google search. You can build stuff, real stuff, dashboards, apps, documents, code, all from a simple prompt. Now, let me break down what this actually is. So you know how normally you go to Google, you type something in and you get a list of links. That's the old way. With AI mode, Google already started giving you AI answers right at the top. But now with Canvas, it goes way further. You can open up a side panel, and inside that panel, you can create things, not just read things, create them. Here is how you use it. You go to Google search, you click on AI mode, then you see a little plus button in the chat. You tap that, you pick Canvas, and then you just tell it what you want. That's it. That's simple. Like you could say, build me a project tracker, or write me a blog post, or create a study planner. And it just does it right there inside Google search. Now, here is where it gets really wild. And this is the part most people are going to miss. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so back to why this update is such a big deal. Canvas doesn't just write plain text. It builds interactive things like actual working dashboards, actual working tools. You can ask it to make a habit tracker, a scholarship tracker, and it pulls in real-time information from the web to make it accurate. It uses Google's knowledge graph, so the data is fresh, the data is real, and the coding part, oh man, this is the part that got me. You can now ask Canvas to write code for you, and not just write it. You can see the code, you can edit the code, you can refine it, you can test it, all inside Google search. You don't need to open a code editor. You don't need to install anything. You just ask for it and it builds it. Let me give you some examples so you can see how powerful this is. Say you are a student, you could type in, create me a weekly study planner with all my subjects, deadlines, and a progress tracker. And Canvas will build that for you with sections, with structure, ready to use. Or say you run a business, you could type in, build me a task management dashboard with a to-do list and deadline tracker, and boom, it makes it right there. Or say you are a content creator, you could type in, draft me a 1,500-word blog post about AI tools for SEO with an intro, features section, examples, and conclusion, and it writes the whole thing. Structured, organized, and then you can refine it with follow-up messages like you can say, make the intro more punchy, or add more examples in section 3, and it updates it just like that. Now, this is the thing that makes Canvas different from other AI tools. It is built into Google search. So it has access to everything Google knows, every website, every piece of data, every fact. It pulls from real search results. So when it builds you something, it is not just making stuff up. It is using real information from the web. And here's the kicker. You don't need a subscription. You don't need to sign up for anything new. If you are in the US and you use Google search in English, you already have it. It is just there, waiting for you to use it. Now, let me show you some pro level prompts you can use right away, because the quality of what Canvas gives you depends on how good your prompt is. So here are some prompts that work really well. First one, create a weekly productivity dashboard with tasks, deadlines, and code to track progress, include charts and an option to export to CSV. That one is fire. It gives you a full working dashboard. Second one, draft a 1,500-word article on AI Canvas use cases with sections for intro, features, examples, and conclusion. That gives you a full structured article you can edit and publish. And third one, build me an interactive habit tracker that lets me check off daily habits and see my streak. That one is perfect if you want to build a little tool for yourself. Now, by the way, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Gemini Canvas to actually grow your business and get more customers, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go deep on AI automation and show you exactly how to use tools like this to scale. Whether you are using Gemini Canvas to build dashboards for your clients or to speed up your content creation, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you get the full playbook. Link is in the description. Okay, so let me keep going because there is more you need to know about this update. One thing I really like about Canvas is the follow-up chat feature. So you don't just get one output and that's it. You can keep talking to it. You can say, actually change the color scheme or add another section or make the code do this instead. And it updates everything in real time. It is like having a conversation with a designer and a developer at the same time. And think about what this means for the future. Right now, it is documents, dashboards, and code. But where do you think this is going? Google is basically turning search into an operating system, a place where you don't just find information, you build with it, you create with it, you work inside of it. Now, let me give you some tips to get the best results from Canvas. Tip number one, be specific with your prompts. Don't just say, make me a dashboard, say, make me a dashboard that tracks these 5 things with these columns and this layout. The more specific you are, the better the output. Tip number 2, use follow-up prompts. Don't settle for the first thing it gives you. Refine it, ask it to improve, ask it to change things. The magic is in the iteration. Tip number 3, ask Canvas to show you the code, even if you are not a coder, because seeing the code helps you understand what it built, and you can copy that code and use it somewhere else if you want. Tip number 4, think of Canvas as a prototyping tool. You can use it to quickly test ideas, build a rough version of something, see if it works, and then take it from there. It is the fastest way to go from idea to prototype that I have ever seen. Now, a few things to keep in mind right now. Canvas in AI mode is only available in the US and only in English. So if you are outside the US, you might have to wait a bit, but knowing Google, this is going to roll out everywhere soon. Also, it works on both desktop and mobile. So you can use it from your phone, which is pretty wild when you think about it. Building dashboards and writing code from your phone. This update is honestly one of the biggest things Google has done with AI in search, because it changes what search is. It is not just an answer engine anymore. It is a workspace, a creation tool, a coding environment, all in one place, and it is free. And it is available right now. So here's what I want you to do. Go to Google search right now, click AI mode, hit that plus button, open Canvas, and build something, anything, a planner, a tracker, a blog post, a piece of code. Just try it. And then come back here and tell me what you built. Julian reads every single comment, so drop your results below. I want to see what you come up with. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We show you step by step how to use AI tools like Gemini Canvas to automate your workflow, serve your clients better, and scale your business faster. This is the best community for anyone serious about using AI the smart way. Link is in the description. And if you want even more free resources, join the AI Success Lab. It is our free AI community. Links are in the comments and description. You will get all of the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update like this one. I will see you in the next one.